afternoon, or evening, depending where you are in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I have a brand new Kryptonite that I just bought. I bought a couple of locks. I bought a couple of Federal 500s and another Kryptonite, which is this one right here, which is brand new. I will be doing another video on the Federal 500s. I got one in different sergeants and another one in I don't forget what other QA it is, but I'll do videos on that. I have a couple of Federal 500s that I put high security locks in it, and since I changed the locks on it, I put a medical in one of them, and I haven't been able to pick it. So I'm happy with the what I put in it. Not happy because I can't pick it. Anyway, let's see what's in this Kryptonite. They say there's security pins in here. I have no idea on this, but we're going to find out. All right. I'm going to use a 1mm Mad Bob's tension wrench on this. And this is out of my Sparrows set that's in the background. Let's see what we can do and what is in this. Okay. Is that pretty good? All right, here we go. Click on one, a little movement. Two, a little bit more. I felt like a spool. Okay, that feels good. Three. Oh, it'll click on. Wait, got a little bit more. That was definitely a spool. Three. Okay, four. Five, I got a little bit more movement on that. And six. Nice. Okay. Beginning. One. Two. Okay. A little movement on that. Three. Got another move, a little bit more movement. Definitely spools. Four is binding. I'm going to lighten up my tension. There you go. Got a good false set going. Five. Lighten up my tension. Stay in there. There we go. And six. Nice. All right. Beginning. One. Nice. A little bit of movement. Two. Keeps on moving. Three. A great ball set going now. Four. I got a little click out of. Five. Six. And I got you, baby. Woo! That was a quickie. Oh, man, that was good. I enjoyed that very much. All right, let's see what we got in here. Keep that there. I'll pull out my tray. What do we need to get this thing out? A Phillips head screw will do. Let's see if this little flathead would work. That'll work. Maybe not. Okay, yeah, that's good. Bent my screwdriver. It's oblong now. I can't stand it. Okay. Got that. There's the core. I'm going to put this here. This is that. What do I need here? A clip remover. I wonder if I can do it with the little one on this. Let's see. No. I don't think so. You know why I have so much trouble with these. Alright, just gonna try pulling it off. Get my screwdriver out in a minute. Yep. I'll put this down there. Over there. Very tiny little clip on here. I bet you the pins are small. Here we go. Okay, get me a follower. This is good. Alright. I definitely like using a shim. Yeah, man, I just dropped my follower. Spin it around. Come on. Come on. Okay. I think I can do it with this. Let's see if that end will work. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Okay. Shim. All right, let's see what we got. I don't know if I showed the bitting on this, on the key. Really like this key. Really nicely shaped, but there's the bitting on it. It's okay. All right, number 1. I'll go over these pins in a minute. I'll click a nice serrated pin. Another serrated pin. Really tiny pins. I forgot how small these were. Alright, another serrated pin. Oop, oop. Alright, let me just go drop them out and I'll go back over them with you guys in 1 second. Let me align everything. Okay. Nothing's done to the core. And of course, it's a brand new lock. And let's see what we got here. Number 1. Uh-oh, what happened here? Is a standard. Got a copper spring. Number 2 is a spool with another copper spring, same one. 3 is another spool and a identical copper spring. Number 4 is another spool. All the springs are going to be the same. 5 is another spool. And I should have went from the back, but too late. Okay, doesn't matter. No dramatics here. Both springs. And that was another spool. So let me give you a close-up of what we got here. Zoom. I'm going to take it off the stand. Always like giving that close look. Okay. Bottom bin. You could see the lighting's not the greatest, but there is a serrations in number 1. 2 has got a double serration. Number 3 is a double serration. 3 is a double serration. 2 is 2 serrations, and the last one there is a double serration. Top pins, we have a standard spool, and a spool. Excuse me. And all the springs are the same. I don't have to look at the Bible because it's a stock lock. And that's what I got. That's what I did. I picked this Kryptonite wide open. Thank you very much for coming and watching another episode of Thumper's Lockpicking. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend. And don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you. I'm gone.